my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to come on here and give you a very quick update on what's been happening in my life and what is coming up for the month of December 2021. So first, if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you know that I have been installing hardwood floors for the past three and a half weeks. My husband and I have been doing it ourselves. We had this project planned, but it was kind of unexpected because the hardwood took only like 2 weeks to come in when we thought it was going to take months. So it was here, we had 42 boxes in our house, and we decided to just tackle the project. Unfortunately, because it was so quick, I didn't really have time to plan videos ahead of time and had to put YouTube on hold for a little bit. I couldn't even get into my sewing room. You can see here it was just a mess, and it was packed with furniture, and then we'd move that furniture out and then move furniture in, move all kinds of furniture around. So it was a little bit of an adventure for us. But as of last night at 9:30 p.m., we laid the last piece of hardwood here in the sewing room, and it is finished. So coming up this month, I have 2 Advent type projects, and well, let me show you here. So the first one is the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and this was last year I tried to get this. Let's see if I can get it into the screen. There you go. Last year I tried to get this and couldn't. They sold out very quickly. So this year I got onto the waiting list. I think I had to sign up for it in like July and reserve my box, and I am going to do an unboxing. Now, I've never done unboxings before, and I'm kind of new to this. My friend Fallon from Create Beauty Daily with Fallon, I'll put a link to her channel in the description. She did this last year and I loved it, and I've talked to her about it, and I decided I was going to do it this year too. So every day I'm going to open one of the gifts from this box. There are 25 gifts in here, hence the name. The countdown to Christmas, 25 days until Christmas. So I will open one of these every day for you, and you'll get to see what I got each day and what I think of it and what the value's like and all of that. So you can share that along with me. They'll just be quick videos that I'll post daily. The other project that I'm going to do, and I'm going to start this probably within the next few days, it's a 12-day project, is by Carolina Moore, and she partnered with Katrinkles, and these are templates, and every day you make a little mini quilt, or you can use it as an ornament or whatever, for 12 days. So I did buy this. I think these are still available. I'll put a link below to this, and I haven't opened this box yet, so I think I'm going to do that right now with you. So these are not sewing scissors. Okay, I'm just going to open it. It's packaged so pretty. It even has this little sticker on it. Let's see if I can get it open. All right, I might have to clip this part out and come back to you. All right, I ruined the box trying to open it, but it is open. It's got all this stuff on it, but you know what's nice? I can put this right on my floor and vacuum it up, or actually sweep it up, because I now have hardwood floors. How nice is that? Don't worry, Mom, I will clean that up. All right, so we have the shipping label and more of that fun stuff in there. Put that aside, and look how cute it is. It says Katrinkles right on it. And let's open this. All right. And it comes with this really cute felt box. This is adorable. I did see it on Carolina Moore's YouTube page when I ordered this about 3 weeks ago, but this is so much cuter in person than what she showed. It just didn't do it justice, I guess. It's adorable, this little pouch. And it has this really sweet pin. You can see right here on it, and in it are 12 templates. So they're envelopes with one for each day, and they have a template inside. With this template, you can make an ornament or just a mini quilt block, and she's going to be doing videos on how to do it, but what I'll do is show the actual finished project. So this will take me a few days probably to get started. I'll probably record these ahead of time just because I do have to make a project with them. So I'll show that too. So I have 2 things coming up that will be daily videos. Quite ambitious. Hopefully I can keep up with the schedule, but I think I can. Also, I will be doing lessons from an old quilt, and I do have a couple tutorials that I'd like to record too. So I have a lot going on, and I hope to get them all finished and ready for you so we can enjoy this month of December together. And I'm so glad to be back and in front of the camera again. I'll see you soon. Make sure you take some time to sew, and please consider subscribing so you can watch all this fun stuff that's going to be happening. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.